Himanshu, real estate has been one of the favorites. You made the point earlier about financialization and the fact that equity is being seen more prominently. But when it comes to businesses or family offices, perhaps in the past, the focus was that let me build my own business. That's the equity part. And for my investments, let me go and buy lots of real estate.
Right.
Is that something that is changing dramatically? Because we still keep seeing a very significant increase in sale of luxury homes, not so much in the affordable housing space as much as in the luxury space. Is that something that continues to be an emotional issue for family offices that, okay, let me, I'm seeing a good deal, let me just go and pick up more real estate. Perhaps my children, grandchildren will, get that real estate. Is that something you're still seeing?
So I would say one, Vivek, things are changing. Like earlier, people used to not differentiate between their personal wealth and their business wealth. So they used to think that my equity is my business, and then outside business, I'm looking at maybe real estate as the major asset class or the only asset class. Today, they want to demarcate between their personal wealth and their business wealth, and they want to be financially independent from the business. So when it comes to surplus outside the business, they then want to create a portfolio outside uh, into equities, into property, into fixed income, into alternate asset classes. So that is one trend which we are seeing. Coming specifically to real estate has always been closer to Indians' heart. But as the time horizon goes by, emotional values are coming down, economic values are increasing, and people are taking more pragmatic rather than emotional decisions. Earlier, people used to say, okay, fine, let me buy a couple of properties, maybe two, three, 10, 20. Today, they find it more of a headache. They want to simplify their life. And they've also seen if you invest in the similar manner, the way you invest in property and keep it buy and hold from a long term perspective, other asset classes also do justice, not only in terms of returns, but also in terms of risk, in terms of liquidity, in terms of taxation, in terms of administrative ease. All those things have started happening. So I would say, yes, uh, people are diversifying beyond business. Then outside the business, which used to be primarily property, it's more diversified portfolios. Luxury properties, yes, they have gone up. Reason being, there is a higher demand than the supply because number of HNIs which are getting in our society, they are growing at a very, very rapid pace. Like every 30 minutes, as per the World Wealth Report, there's an HNI who's born in India. Every 30 minutes. Every 8 days, there is a UHNI who is born in India. Every 40 days, there is a billionaire who is born in India. So the pace at which wealth creation is happening over here, anything which is catering to the HNI segment, whether it's the luxury real estate space or luxury goods, they will always be in demand. And that's the reason luxury real estate prices have gone up because of the sheer pace of growth which has happened in the HNI segmentation in the society today.